Are you planning to write a conference abstract, or have you written one that got rejected? Well, it's happened to me many times, but I've also written many successful abstracts that have allowed me to present at conferences. And in fact, I've just reviewed a batch of abstracts for a major convention. And so I thought I'll make a quick video to talk a little bit about what a successful conference abstract may look like. But first of all, always refer to the conference guidelines. Every major conference that I've seen lately has guidelines for abstract writers that you need to follow very closely, or else your abstract gets rejected right away. So what does an abstract look like, and a successful abstract look like that I've written? This is a research-oriented abstract. The structure of a practice-oriented abstract may look similar, in fact, but I always start off with a title that is concise, interesting, and relevant. Having said that, I write the title last, all right? So I draft a few titles and then leave them, and then I go to the abstract. So the abstract structure is pretty predictable, but the green part is a general introduction of the topic. So here it's second language teacher education and learning to teach pronunciation. Then the red part is a gap in the research or in the literature. So that first paragraph situates my study in context. The blue part then is the aim of the current study. So having established context, the blue part is the purpose or the aim of the current study, which is in this case, I present findings of parts of the findings of my longitudinal study, my ongoing longitudinal study on learning to teach pronunciation. So the blue part is the aim of the study. The purple part then is the methodology, and you must include a concise description of your methodology to show a reviewer what the study is about. How did you design your study? How did you collect data? You may want to include a sentence on the data analysis too. I didn't do that simply because the word count or the word limit didn't allow me to do that, but it might be a good idea to write, or at least include, a sentence on the data analysis. The orange part then is the findings. And again, you need to be concise, but you need to provide enough details for a reviewer to understand what findings the study generated. And the black sentence at the end there is just, I want to show how I've ended the session. In this case, a discussion about implications for second language teacher education. Sometimes I put a sentence in there saying something like, plenty of time will be allocated for the audience to ask questions. So it depends a little bit what I want to do in that session. So hopefully this gives you a bit of an idea what a successful abstract looks like. If you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on Twitter. Thanks.